Hey, what is up, guys? So, I'm just here at the gym, but before I even start my workout, I wanted to talk to you guys about email marketing and the importance of how lead funnels ties into your email marketing or even your sales funnels. And what's the difference between leads funnels and sales funnels? Leads funnels is something in exchange for their email. So, if you're doing something that can solve a specific problem, say 5 tips to lose 5 pounds in 3 days, and it's in exchange for the email. Well, that's one way, and the sales funnel is in exchange for money. So it's something more of value than, say, if it's something as if it's lose 50 pounds in 1 month or 50 pounds in 30 days and in exchange for $30. Then that'll be a sales funnel. But how does email tie to all of this? Email ties to this because it builds up the value that you can have in exchange. So when they do opt in and when you do exchange for their email, you can have an email autoresponder and it can go gradually. So day one, it can be tip number one, tip number two on day two, tip number three on day three. And then maybe on day number four, it can be opt in back to this web page and see what we can do and promote him back again to the sales funnel. And because when you have them on an opt-in, you typically, when you go to the thank you page, you do want to sell them, but you don't want to sound as if you just want their money. You want to give them the email, give them the tip, give them that, and then for the thank you page, say, here's this that can solve more of your problems, or be more specific on the benefits and the promises that you can solve for their problems. And if you can do that, then email marketing can tie back to them going back to the funnel or them building up the value, building up the relationship. So that's how email marketing can build up the value and tie back to your funnels. As long as you continue to provide value for them, as long as you continue to give them value first in exchange for anything in return, because you're asking for their email that and for a specific result. And if you can deliver on those results and you continue to have, they call them macro steps, macro victories. So you give them a victory by giving them the PDF for in exchange for your email, and then you give them that victory, and then you give them another victory by saying, here are these three benefits, three promises I promise you that I can do that can solve your problems, and you give them those. You give them another victory. Say if they buy that, and you just keep giving them macro steps, and through the email they keep reading the email, they see the value, and you just keep giving them these macro steps that continue to build trust and continue to build a long-term relationship with these people. And the key results, as I talk about all the time, is having a long-term relationship, a long-term mindset for a long-term customer, and putting your customers first. Always got to provide value and put them first. That's the only way they'll come back and trust you, as it's a reflection of your business in exchange for money or exchange of what you want, and in exchange for helping them. And the last one is putting it all into an automated systems, which is having emails to point back to your funnels and having emails to build up the value. The importance of email is the backbone of your business. Everybody needs email marketing. If you don't have email marketing, then you're losing a lot of money, and there's a lot of money that is just being leaked out of your business because it is the backbone. It's what keeps recapturing, retargeting the people and brings them back to the funnel. But I hope you guys get a lot of value from this. I will continue to tell you more about email marketing and sales funnels, because that is more in my critique and that is more in my specific. But all right, guys. Hope you have a good rest of y'all's day. I'm here at the gym, ready to get this Monday. It's going to be a great week. Always stay focused, always stay positive, and always stay humble. Everything you do, make it with intention. And again, with everything you do, always provide value first before expecting anything in return. Have a good Monday, guys. Peace.